All right, guys, time to talk about Uniswap on the channel once again. Now, we haven't looked at this coin in quite some time, and you can see that it's getting a rejection basically here at about the $12 mark where this resistance is. Now, we were rejected here in June, and we got quite a rejection. It went down about 60, 70%, all the way down to about $4.70, and has since then worked its way back up. But yeah, right now it is struggling with the $12 mark here. And yeah, I want to remind you guys back in March, we did shoot up to a little more than $17. And that was basically on this news that they had 100% vote in favor of revenue sharing for stakers. So yeah, I mean, this is something that's quite groundbreaking, as this little extract says. And yeah, so anyways, Uniswap has been $45 before. It's 75% down from its all-time high. Now, there is 1 billion in the max supply, and actually it's all been produced, it looks like, but 60% of that is circulating right now. So yeah, 600 million, that's not a lot, guys, circulating. Even, 1 billion max supply is quite low. So yeah, I do think Uniswap definitely has potential to make it back to its $45, mark, and probably exceed that, especially, with this revenue sharing. I think people are going to be really crazy about this if they don't know about this, or just have to wait and see how the community reacts, in the future. But I do think this is a very, very good thing from Uniswap. For me personally, Uniswap is one of my top 10 coins, guys. So I really think this one has a chance. Now, I want to take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, since yesterday it got up to about $99,000, and it fell down all the way to, what is it, the low 92,600. Now, we are trying to work our way back up. We're at 94.3 at the moment. We have been as high as about, what is it, almost 95 we've touched today. So we'll see what happens later today. I do believe this will slowly work its way back up, but we just have to see what news comes out today. And yeah, taking a look at the total market cap, guys, we're at 3.18 trillion. Last night, I think when I made some videos, we were at 3.21 or 22. So yeah, we did kind of have a big crash. Now, keep in mind, this is total market cap with Bitcoin. Now, taking a look at the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, yesterday, yeah, it went down, just not so much. And today, we actually have a green candle, So it's not as big as the total market cap with Bitcoin, but we still have a green candle today. And it's working its way up to this, 1.44 trillion mark, which is the target of this, pretty much this bull flag here. And yeah, so we just have to see if we make it there. But that's the technical target of this bull flag for the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin. And after that, I think we just have to kind of reevaluate. But I'm sure, guys, we're going to go a lot more. Really, it's going to be mega, this bull run. Now, taking a look here at the dominance, guys, for Bitcoin. Yesterday, we saw quite a fall for Bitcoin where altcoins didn't really suffer that much. Today, though, it is going up a little bit. We have to see, though, how high this goes. I think this is probably temporary, guys. Now, remember, on Sunday, we had a retest. We tried to go up, and it failed. And on Saturday was the day that we kind of fell through this trend line, which basically extends all the way back to, what, I think mid-July, guys. So, it got some bounces in October, a couple bounces there. It did get a bounce in November, early November. But yeah, right now it has fallen through, and it appears 61.78 or so is the maximum, that we will go probably this cycle. So yeah, we've fallen down 3% since then. That's why you're seeing altcoins go 20, 30, 40, 50, even 70%, up. So yeah, I mean, this is great for altcoin holders like myself. Now, as for the altcoin season index, we have cooled down a little bit, but you can see it's still not altcoin season. Yesterday, we were at a 51. So we have, gone down slightly. I don't think that's anything to really worry about, guys. I do believe we're going to be in altcoin season very quickly. Fear and greed yesterday, 82. It has come down a little bit. I'm glad to see that actually. We needed to cool down, guys. So, being in extreme greed in the 90s was just not a good thing. And, that's what I've been saying all along. We have been, expecting some crash. The veterans that are here a long time will tell you if you spend a long time in the 90s, you can expect some crash. And although we're not getting a huge crash, this crash is what? It's 7,000. Yeah. So for many people, they think the end is here. But anyways, I personally don't believe the end is here for Bitcoin, and it will continue. It's just it needs some time, guys. It needs to consolidate. Taking a quick look here at the Pi cycle top indicator, guys. We're not even close to it crossing. Now this indicator has been quite accurate and reliable, we can say, for past cycles. And basically, it's timed the top within a day or two. And you can see we were actually closer to crossing back in, June than we are right now. But however, we are curving up, but this appears that it's still going to continue straight up. So I think this at least probably has 9 to 12 months to catch up. Once it crosses, that's probably the signal that the top is in for Bitcoin, guys. Now, taking a look at crypto bubbles here, guys. There are some, projects in the red. But for example, Sand and Mana, they had massive runs over the weekend, guys. So a lot of this is just cooling down at the moment. I don't think it's really anything to worry about. XLM, yeah, it's just been on a tear, guys. So yeah, we'll see. Bitcoin is coming down a little bit, so that's why you're seeing more red as well. But yeah, I don't think we have anything truly to worry about here with these alts. Now, if you want to stake your Uniswap, guys, go to Coinondo, and you have to click on Earn here, and basically type in Uni, and you find it here. Now, I don't think there's many places to stake Uniswap for a high percentage. So I think I have mine in Bybit. I'm only getting 1%, guys. So anyways, XT has 1.5%. I do use that exchange. I don't think crypto.com has this percentage. You need to look before you send your Uniswap there. And Gate, I only have my Gate token there. I wouldn't put anything else there. So anyways, guys, if you like this video about Uniswap and Bitcoin, share it with your friends, give it a like. And yeah, guys, I truly appreciate your support. We have over 560 subscribers now. And yeah, guys, I can say I'm planning some live streams in the near future. So yeah, I'm going to be looking forward to hearing what you guys want to me to look at basically. And yeah, so thanks a lot, guys, for the support, and I'll see you in the next video.